Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy Money. And so this month will be soon. It will be finished this month of August, and as we know, everybody is too much worried about Corona and this monsoon season. There is too much rain everywhere. In my place also, it's too much rain. Anyway, this month also it's a very good month for my trading activities, and in this whole month I got maybe 2 3 losses, and all the days I got good profit. So let's go to our next slide to see what is the upcoming news and how is the chart going to perform for the next month. Let's go to next slide, friends. So friends, as you can see, this is the economic calendar, and you can see the data out here. So this is yesterday, I mean this is tomorrow, Sunday. It is the holiday. Everybody know it is a holiday for here and everywhere. And for our Muslim friends, this is Muharram, so they will enjoy. So all the Muslims, I wish a very happy Muharram to everyone. And next day it is a holiday for UK, so there will be not much movement in the pound, maybe, but volume will be less in the pound. So please mark this day also. And this is the PMI data, which is very important data from the China, because China is the manufacturing hub of the world. So this manufacturing data is very important nowadays. As the corona, due to corona, everything is stopped. Slowly they are opening up everything. So now this PMI data is very important. So this will come in our market. So till this news does not come, so Nifty will wait for this data to come. If it is coming anything negative, then it will react. Or else if it is coming positive or bullish, like more than what is predicted here, 51.2, if it comes more than this, then market will give you a very strong rally. And next data coming, friend, this is the manufacturing PMI, same China. This is also important. And again this will come, this manufacturing PMI from Germany, means euro. This is also very important. So a lot of PMI data are coming in that day. Here also pound, and this one will come in the night. So it is also very important data, friends. So these are means Tuesday, you can say there will be lot of data which is very important for the market. So it will be full-fledged data that day. So it will affect our market or everybody's market. Okay friends. So now Wednesday, as you can see, this is the most important data among all the data coming next week. So this is ADP, non-pharma employment change. So this is American data. This is next to FOMC meeting data. So this is one of the most important datas. Next week this will be the main data, which will have the very big impact on dollar index and the market as well. The same thing will continue. These all data will come together. Here also it will come. So all things will come together. If it is come bullish, then there will be some movement in the dollar index. If no, then it will go down. So this is the thing. But this is very important. So whole day this data, all the market will wait for this data, friends. So just mark your calendar and your timing if you are holding anything for the night session or for the next day. So be careful of this data. It's very important data. And next day, friends, these are data coming for pound, and this is service PMI for UK, and this is coming in the night time. This is very important data for this corona times, because a lot of people loses their jobs. So this is very important for the market. These two datas, American data, it will come in the night. This is also come in the night. So just watch out for these datas. and this data also very important as due to corona everything is stopped. So now if there is a very any positive sign, then it affects market very heavily. And Friday, friends, there is some data coming, non-pharma payroll. This is also very important data, so watch out for this data. All the non-pharma payroll data are very important, so watch out for this data because it will show the growth of US markets, how many people got the job and all these things. So which is very important. Due to corona, many people have lost their jobs. If there is some increase in those numbers, then it will affect the market and the currency also. So these data are very important, friends. Okay, friends, now let's go to our next slide. We'll see the one-day chart of Nifty and dollar. USD INR, how it is showing, means what will happen to next week. Before that, friends, I just wanted to show you the central bank rates. So these are the next upcoming meetings for the big markets in the world. So this is the Fed meeting, September 26th. Mark your calendar. This is the most important meeting in the whole world. Before that, September 10th, there is a ECB meeting that European Central Bank will do. And then this is 16 17. So 70, this Bank of England's meeting. This is also very important, friends. And for us, our market, this one. So this is the most important, 1st October. Still there is lot of time is there. So this is our market. So this is very important. Okay, friends, let's go to our next channel. Sorry, let's go to our next slide. So friends, as you can see, this is USD INR spot. So one day chart, as you can see, it was a very strong support here. It's a very strong support here. Very strong support here. Once it is break, then it is going down. So this trend will continue as all the markets are going up. So our market also going up. It means that lot of money coming inside our country. So that's why currency will go down. So this is very natural. As you can see, awesome oscillator also showing sell here very clearly. So it is going on. Sometimes it is fluctuating, but there is always it is in a range. So you can see again it is a sell sign. It's going down. Now in this RSI you can see here it touched 60, then it went down below 40. Again there is some retracement, so it is showing below 50 every time. I can say below 60. So till it is saying below 50 or 60, its trend will be always down. Maybe it will retrace a little bit to here or 50, but again it will go down. Okay, friends, now we'll go to next chart, that is Nifty. So friends, now you can see this is Nifty one day chart. So it is also, you can see this is chop zone is telling buy since a long time. It is uptrend from June onwards. You see from here it is showing buy. Here awesome oscillator is also telling buy signal. So it is going up, and you can see the RSI, it is every time staying above 60, 50 you can see. So if it is staying above 40, you can say, or 50 above, then every time it is doing a huge rally. So now it is, maybe it will a little bit retrace from here, but if it is coming down again, it will come here, this yellow line, and again it will go back. So this kind of small correction will be there, but ultimately it will go up. As you can see from here it is going back, from here it is gone back, from here. So every time it is going upwards. So now trend will again continue. So this will be the trend for this next, and I think it will go till that US election is coming up. Till then it will move. Every market is moving. So if there is any good news regarding corona, then everything will rally very fast. So this is the scenario, friends, and wish you a very happy weekend and enjoy your day, and be safe from corona. Do all the precautions whatever necessary, and thank you very much for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you again for watching my video. If anything you like to comment, then please comment in the comment box and I will definitely reply to everything. Thank you very much.